Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into CFMS account. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is a URL section, type down CFMS and enter it after you're done. And then what you need to do is just click on this option that is CFMS. Make sure that you're clicking the correct website. And then here we could see we just landed to the homepage of CFMS, and in order to log in, here we can see we are required with our user ID, password, and type down a password as well. And you can also pick the language which is suitable to you, just like that. And after that, you can click on this option that says log on, and then you'll be successfully logged into your CFMS ID. If you have forgotten your password, you'll also have an option that says forgot your password, which is on the bottom, and you'll be able to recover or reset your password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.